To change icon's color on the Realme C71, first of all you will have to go for the settings. From here, go for the wallpaper and style, and as you are here, you can find these icons and clock settings, so let's go in there and go for the themed icons. And here I currently enabled this option, but by default it is actually disabled, so you will have to press this switch to enable themed icons, and right here you can change the color of these icons, like using the wallpaper colors, which will match the colors of your current wallpaper right here. Depending on which color you select, these are kind of different right here, but there's not much choice for this particular wallpaper. But here also you can find featured colors, and there are these 7 colors available, and you can set up any of these colors right here. And unfortunately you cannot set up your custom color, or you cannot change the brightness of this color or anything like this, but you can just set this color and that's all you can do right here. So let's set up this green color, or no, let's leave this orange color. And did it change anything? It didn't for some reason, so let's go back and let's see. Well, it didn't work for some reason, I'm not really sure why. I have this color enabled, but yeah, for some reason it's not working. But that's basically how you're supposed to change the icons colors. Maybe in your case it will be working.